Police kill one of 2 alleged armed robbers near 6 Miles Bridge.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
One of 2 men who were reportedly robbing people on their way home from work was fatally shot by officers near the 6 Miles Bridge in Kingston on Wednesday. Reports are that members of the Metro Quick Response Unit were conducting patrol in the Riverton area when they received information that men with firearms were seen in the vicinity of the 6 Miles Bridge robbing people coming from work. The team went to investigate, and upon arrival, they saw 2 men who allegedly opened gunfire at them. The lawmen returned the fire. One of the men was reportedly shot and injured, while the other escaped across the roadway. A Smith & Wesson 9mm pistol was picked up from beside the injured man. He was transported to the Kingston Public Hospital, where he was pronounced dead. The deceased has not yet been identified. Meanwhile, a Beretta submachine gun was seized during an operation in Chantilly, Westmoreland this morning. A man and a woman were arrested during the operation by members of the Lotchescam Task Force and a joint police-military team. Additionally, the woman who was arrested in connection with the seizure of 13 firearms and over 500 assorted rounds of ammunition in Florence village, Falmouth in Seaunnea on Thursday, February 3, has been charged. She has been identified as a 31-year-old Seaunnea Armstrong, a hairdresser of Purcell Crescent in Florence. Armstrong is charged with illegal possession of firearm and ammunition. She was arrested during a targeted operation in the community where 10 rifles, 2 submachine guns, 1 handgun and 525 assorted rounds of ammunition were found. She was formally charged after a question and answer session on Tuesday, February 8.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!